Hey, it's Johnny. Your test whip of the week is the Lexus ES350 F Sport. Now, that's a grill. This is the Lexus ES350 S Sport. This sedan is sleek, it's sexy, it's fast. What a great exterior body on this car. Plenty of cargo space in the trunk of this Lexus. Push button close. I love the red and black interior cabin, and there's lots of legroom, even with the front seats fully reclined. Plenty of power for the second row too. Beautiful black and red interior cabin. I love this design. It's got a sunroof, lots of offerings. Mark Levinson speakers. Push button start. Extra long navigation and entertainment console. Heating, cooling, and radio. Seat warmers and other auxiliary. Lexus control center. Drive functions on the steering wheel and the dash.